Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ClickUp docs for consistent SOP knowledge bases, full guide step by step clearly. To update ClickUp docs for consistent SOP knowledge bases, start by accessing your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your SOP documents are stored. Locate the specific ClickUp doc you want to update. Review the current content for accuracy and relevance. Identify any outdated information that needs revision. Consult with team members for any necessary updates they might have. Gather any new procedures or guidelines relevant to the SOP. Plan a structured format for the updated document for clarity. Use clear headers to separate different sections of the SOP. Incorporate diagrams or flowcharts if they enhance understanding. Ensure all links within the document are functional and point to the right resources. Update any task assignments associated with the SOP in ClickUp. Proofread the document to eliminate any grammatical errors or typos. Seek feedback from stakeholders to ensure comprehensive coverage. Once finalized, publish the updated document within ClickUp. Notify the team about the changes and provide access to the revised document. Regularly schedule reviews of the SOP to keep content fresh and relevant over time. Maintain a log of revisions to track changes for future reference. Encourage team members to contribute their insights for further improvement. Utilize ClickUp's commenting feature for ongoing discussions about the SOP. Monitor usage of the SOP to assess its effectiveness and adoption rates. Regular updates will enhance knowledge retention and operational efficiency within your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.